Kwigoku kwahebwayo ababuurizi b'engiri kuruga mu Anglican Fellowship Choir aho amashomero gakurenga 30 kuruga mu district zitari zimwe na zimwe geterine hamwe n'ekigenderwa cyo kukoresa edini ngecyo kurwanisa kikuru baba nibenda kuba emanzi
neeri genda kubatwala mu bulamu bwabwe obw'omu maaso myaka 3 myaka 4 nga bajjukira ebintu bino kubanga misingi mirungi kubanga mpaji nnungi empaji zaffe tuzimba ku Kristo era nze naali kubiriza abantu bangi tube essomero lutandikiddwa ku ddiini wabeerengawo ekiseera abantu abo baweebwa omukisa okujja okusiga ensigo n'okunoza ekyo ekigendererwa ekibeera lwaki essomero lyatandika
okukuza abaana bakumanya okutiina Mukama kurugera Peter Kasamba kibombeka baburukiri orugumire.
When you're strong in Christ, first of all you learn how to talk what is in your heart. Christians by nature share. They talk to each other, they pray over each other, and that ability to express the feelings you have means that you don't bottle it in. Many mental illnesses and stress and depressions come because people don't have anywhere to talk, anywhere to in fact, research shows that Christians have a lower rate of going mentally ill or suicidal things of that sort.
Naye abaana bano beetaaga okulungamizibwa simanyi bwe mukiyiteewo naye okulungamizibwa omuntu yenna aba atandika olugendo omulungamya n'omugamba ojja kuyita wano wano waliwo enkonge wano waliwo ekizibu wano waliwo enzikiza n'asobola okutambula obulungi ensi ejjudde ensi bo gye balimu ffe si gye twalimu eyaffe yali ejjudde okutegana naye n'erimu okutegana kungi nnyo
baitu okukaha buhanguzi obwo zefa makerere nashobora ngo nubwija kubaho haheza kubaho okukoresa Amaani no kuremeraho.
Good practice makes perfect. If we perfect that which is good, we shall get a rich harvest. Those who are athletes here, you know that the more you practice, the more you train, the more you take care of what to eat and what not to eat, what to indulge in and what to not to indulge in, your body gets fit. You find running that long distance easier as you build up the endurance in your body.
Kandeji ni yengire emwe heyo kukuza orunaku rw'amamanzi ahayongire akashobora ngo mushomogu gubasize kuba banguraje.
Hati isobera twan celebrating heroes day muri Kasaka twasharamu ku celebrating ngo muringo kugira ngo abana nabo bakureba kumanya ngo bakora munonga baba bamani baza kuba great heroes.
Amwe ombeji abuto agamba nabo bashobora okuba basize kuganyirwa umungire baburirwe
bwenu nitutombeka nkitwe nkabeji kandi tukora emanzi za nshakari tutereza Amaani tutereza omugumye twareba abandi abashomero mashomero nkagi bari abantu b'Amaani tutereza omugumye nitwe twenda ngo tushome tugire yitwaza umwako nkabana tuharire mu Amaani munonga ombintu byo kushoma aho kuba abantu bana bakwisha bakagamba nitwe abamu babajya bakazi tureba bari nabo basize kushikayo nitwe kuza kubasa
amakuru aga gashakwa Gerard Tugume abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Mbarara.